Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna do the unboxing of Sony A6400, which I recently bought from walmart.com. So it's a bundle. So let's unbox this and see what we got with this bundle, and also I will switch the camera and see what will have the video result difference between mobile and the Sony A6400. Right now I'm recording with the Samsung S21 Ultra 4K 30 frame, and when I unbox the camera, I'll show you what I got in the box, and then I'll switch to the camera video and we'll show you guys what is the video quality looks like. So without any further delay, let's open the box. So this is the box I have right here. So last time when I got this, there is a bag which is good, and the tripod they sent me, it was broken, so hopefully not this time. So this is the lens cleaning kit, so I will open this also, and this is the camera itself. Okay, this, to be honest, does not look like new. As you can see, look on the box how many scratches it has. So I don't know if it's remanufactured or what, but yeah, let's open it and see, because the box looks like doesn't look like new, but let's see. But the seal is new and it says Sony on it. I'm not sure if it's original or not, but we'll see. Okay, books and stuff. Let me put this on side, and we have a battery here. Hopefully it's charged. Viewfinder cover, a charger, USB cable, micro USB, and strap. So let's just take the camera out and put this on side. Alright, here is the camera. Just need to make sure it's new. As they describe in their ad. So seems okay. Let's open it and put the battery in, and I need to put the SD card also. So here is camera itself. Hopefully it's focusing. Side, and it has a flip up screen. It only opens like upward, and let me show you. As you can see right here, this opens upward. So one thing, if you wanna install the microphone here, you can't see in the screen then, so you have to probably attach the extra mount and then attach the microphone on the side. So let me just put it here and open this and get the SD card out. UV filter, so this is gonna block the sunlight when you record outside in the direct sun. Okay, and this is the lens cleaner, and this is the lens cap also. You can put on the front to block the shadows. Okay, so let me just put this card. I do have another one, but right now it's not with me. I have to okay, got it. So SD card in, and let's start the camera. Okay, it did not turn on at all. Maybe there is no battery in it, so let me charge the battery for a little bit and then I will get back to you guys. Alright guys, so this is the video quality from A6400. I'm recording later because there was no battery that time when I unboxed the camera. Right now I'm recording in I think 4K 60 frame. So this is the quality coming right now from the Sony A6400. So it's focusing spot focus. I don't know why it's not doing the autofocus by itself. So it just says spot focusing automatically. Maybe I just turn that off. Yep. So hopefully it's focusing me, and the audio quality also coming from the Sony inbuilt microphone. So yeah, so this is the video. Let's see how the focus. Yeah, it's pretty fast, but I do see the colors are very dull compared to the phone camera like S21 Ultra. So maybe I have to do post processing. I'm not sure which profile this camera is shooting right now, because I need to learn about the camera profile right now, and we'll see in the future videos how it's hold up. And yeah, I'll see you guys probably in the next video. Let me show you what else we have. We have a tripod here. Need to see this. What is the quality of this one? I do have plenty of tripods laying around, but if it's good, so why not just use this one? So this is the bundle that I got. The whole thing cost me $1,126 total amount of price after tax. So okay, this is pretty nice tripod for the camera, but it's not that does not look that strong, but you can definitely use it indoor. It's pretty sturdy for indoor, especially. It's gonna be pretty useful. So let's just put this on here and let's open the bag and see what this looks like from inside. All the useful stuff they send you with this bundle. Okay, so I like what I see here, because let me show you the amount of lenses you can store in this bag. Check this out from inside. This has a lot of portions in it. You can have like 3-4 lenses plus the camera very easily in this bag. Plus it has side pockets also. You can have extra batteries, keep your charger with you. This is nice stuff.